morning, viewers. Welcome back to my channel, Kante Quest. If you're not a subscriber, please do that right now. Like and share my videos. Today we're in the coal city, Enugu State, and we're going to Awhum Waterfall. I'm just waiting for somebody to come and pick me up. So let's go. Thanks to Kelvin for bringing me over. The 1 hour journey by foot is just about to begin. So we're heading down to the cave. There's no road. It's so beautiful here. We have to walk. We're just stopping to rest. What's this signboard about? Okay, let me record it. So it leads us to the waterfall. Okay.
This direction.
Oh, direction. Okay. So at a point in time, you need to take your shoes off and walk barefoot inside this river, this stream. Because if you use your shoes, you just might lose them. So if you're scared of water, definitely don't try this. It's fun, but it's also scary. So, you know. Just making our way around. As you can see, it is so awesome. It's very noisy because of the waterfall. Just finished from the waterfall. Very lovely experience. We're going back to the cave and then we're leaving. Alright, let's go.
I don't know that this kind of thing is here.
And I'm coming all the way from Abuja.
I come with Mohammed. He's one that takes me to this place. I don't know that it's a
Yeah, so out of the waterfall, out of the cave, and halfway back to civilization. If you live in Enugu and you've not visited this place, sorry is all I can say. Just let me know. I can come all the way from Abuja just to take you to this place. I don't mind. Good afternoon. Are you guys going to the cave?
Yeah.
Lovely. I'm here with Stanley. He's so kind. He's the one that led us to the cave and the waterfall. So we're back in the monastery now. But this place is really interesting. So, you know, I always want to know more and more. So I want him to tell us a little bit about this place. So Stanley, please, can you tell my viewers, like, what is this place about?
Okay, this is a monastery, Awhum Monastery. You have mountain, Calvary, and waterfall.
Okay.
So the one at the one where we went to now.
And cave.
So that place is a nice place. The water is already blessed. When you go there and pray, God will answer your prayer.
That's good.
That is it.
Okay. And how was it discovered? Like, who discovered that place?
One of our monk, the oldest monk.
Okay.
94 the place.
One of your oldest monk?
Yes.
Is he in this place or?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
So
I would love to meet him.
I the one who discovered the.
We discovered it. How did he discover the place?
By grace of God, because I
Oh,
don't.
okay.
Yes,
maybe he had like some
vision.
Yeah,
like
vision.
That, yes.
lovely.
I went there and see, even though you people, some US or something like that, they follow and see the place and confirm the place is a nice place.
It is
That's
actually.
all I can tell.
I'm definitely going to come back again. I noticed you guys taking some of this water.
Yes.
What is it for?
The water is already blessed.
Okay, like holy water.
Holy
yes.
water, yes.
Okay.
If you
Yes.
have sickness or if you have difficulties, you can drink it or spread it from a shop or something like that.
I actually forgot. I should have drunk some while we were there.
I can give you.
Oh, please. Let me taste this water. So this water is from Mount Calvary.
Yeah, it's from Waterfall.
The
Waterfall. Yeah.
Yes.
Nice. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it, and definitely we will come back again.
No problem.
I'll come back with more people.
No problem.
Yeah, thank you so much. Just leaving the monastery, going back to the city. We had a lovely time. So I hope you enjoyed my video, and look forward to the next one. Cheers.